The four-season fire pit, how to use it all year round. Stop waiting for fall. Hey everyone, welcome back to Viana Home Channel. Okay, quick question. When do you think of using a fire pit? I bet for 90% of you the answer is fall, autumn, right? You're picturing a cozy sweater, a pumpkin spice latte, and some crisp leaves. And you're not wrong, fall is the championship season for fire pits. But if you are only using your fire pit for 3 months out of the year, you are seriously missing out. A fire pit is not a seasonal decoration, it's a 4-season feature. And today, I'm gonna tell you how to use it all year round. Let's start with spring. Spring nights are tricky. It's warm, but it's not that warm. It's that damp, chilly air. This is where the fire pit shines. It's not about creating a blazing inferno. It's about taking the chill off. It's that little bit of radiant heat that lets you sit outside comfortably way earlier in the season. It lets you be the first person on your block to actually enjoy your backyard. Okay, now summer. This is the one people think I'm crazy about. Why would I light a fire when it's 90 degrees? You're right, you don't. In the summer, the fire pit isn't about heat. It's about vibe. You wait until after the sun goes down, you light a very small, low fire. It's the backyard television. It's the s'mores station. It's that flickering ambient light that makes a good summer party a great one. Then we have fall. This is the main event. This is what you bought the pit for. The air is crisp, the nights are cool, and that heat is finally welcome. This is the season for bundling up in a blanket, grabbing a hot apple cider, and just enjoying that perfect, cozy, rustic feeling. This is when the fire pit is the star of the backyard. And finally, winter. This is the pro level. Don't cover your pit and forget about it. There is nothing more magical than a fire pit in the snow. Yeah, you gotta bundle up, but imagine, it's a cold, still winter night. You're in your warm coat, you have a mug of hot chocolate, and you're sitting by a roaring, crackling fire. The contrast between the cold air on your back and the warm fire on your face is an amazing, invigorating feeling. It gets you outside in a season when you'd normally be trapped on the couch. Your fire pit is a 365-day investment, so stop waiting for fall. When's your favorite time of year to use your pit? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more ideas on how to get the most out of your home, please subscribe to the Viana Home Channel. We'd love to see you again.